Hello and welcome to Mr. Robertson's Year 4 revision video all about the human body. We have a test next week all about the human body. And I'm just going to quickly run through some of the things that I'm going to be discussing. And many of them, not all, but many of them are covered in, of course, the videos I've looked at. So maybe looking back on them if you're not sure if anything's a great idea. But of course, it covers things like all those different systems that I've been discussing, like our skeletal system. So we need to make sure we know about what some of the important bones are in the body and why we have a skeleton and how all of our muscles work and why they work. So there's some important things to look at there. Another system can of course be the circulatory system. That's the one to do with the blood. So here you need to know about the different parts of the blood. You need to know about why they work and why we have the blood and the things in it and how it works. How does the heart work? And what are the things that go around the body and why are they so good? The arteries, the veins, the capillaries. Know about that and you've got that sorted. We also look at the respiratory system. And that's the stuff we've been doing last week in science class, all about the lungs and breathing and so on. So that's covered there. And the final system we look at is the digestive system. So all the different parts of the body, from the top to the bottom, and how each bit of that is so good. They're the 4 systems that you need to know about for the test. What you need to know about more than anything, though, is about how to be healthy. Of the 3 criteria we are assessing in this test, 2 are related to health, and just 1 for your science knowledge, how much you know and how much you understand. 2 of them are about being healthy. So we're looking for you to understand and give good reasoning, good ideas, good understanding, good clarification, good advice, more than anything else, about how to be healthy. Some of the questions will ask you to say, here is a person, here's what there is. What do you think they should do? How do you think they can be healthy? I know you're not doctors, but students need to show an understanding of how to live healthily. So there are some questions that are going to ask exactly that in this test. So be prepared for that. And the advice is, if you make that reasoning developed, and if you include more than one idea, that is what I'm looking for. Being healthy is not just about not eating as much fat or doing more exercise. It's a whole system of different things, and I want you to show that you can really develop that using all these systems here. That's the biology knowledge. How you apply that and couple it to healthy living is what's going to get you the bonus. It could be, for example, as I said, about diet or exercise. It could be, for example, about things like we discussed here about smoking, asthma, different diseases like that. We know about problems. We've always looked at problems that can happen in all of these systems. That's the skills and the ideas we need to be able to do for the science test. This week, there's no such strict homework, no Google Docs for you. You have the revision guide attached to the homework and attached to the assessment. Have a look through and make sure you've attempted one of those questions. Because then when you come to the science classroom, we will go through those questions once more and we'll play the A-team. We'll share our knowledge of how to get those top level answers. Good luck to you. Any questions, of course, let me know. Good luck revising. You'll do awesome next week in your test. Take care. Year 4. Thank you.